Hey, what's up everybody? Today we're going to do miso salmon. This is a Ming Tsai marinade. So I'll put a link for this miso citrus marinade below. You can use it with a lot of things. Today we're going to use salmon, so a couple salmon fillets. I do garnish mine with some green onions, so I cut them into these long little grass-like pieces. If you want, you can cut them into these triangles. If you cut it on the bias, they make real pretty garnish. Onion garnishes, I guess. So what you want to do is get you a container that will seal, like a Ziploc or a Tupperware. Put the marinade and the salmon in it, put it in the refrigerator for 4 hours. This is really easy once you prepare the miso marinade. After 4 hours, take the salmon out. You can see it's pretty firm now. It's almost cooked from the acid in the ponzu and the sake. I like to let it drain off a little bit and then line either a sheet pan or a broil pan with foil. I put the slippery side up. If you don't have that kind, then just spray it with some non-cook spray or oil it. I put the skin side down, and then it goes into an oven on the middle rack with the broiler set to high. Now this takes about 6 minutes to cook is all. So about 3 minutes in, I have some reserved miso marinade set aside, and I spoon a little bit of that on. Kind of gives it a little bit more flavor. Sometimes it'll caramelize up if it's hot enough. So there you go, look at me, check it out, pretty good job. So back in the oven for about 3 more minutes, just check it. This is wild salmon, so it's really dry, low fat content. If you have the frozen stuff that they color pink at Costco, it's pretty fatty, so it can take some heat. So this stuff will dry out if you cook it much longer than 6 minutes. That's probably the threshold. Anyway, when you're done, there you go, some sliced green onions. If you put those in cold water, they'll curl up like that. I put a little black sesame on mine, and then also, is really good with it, is sriracha, or I use coconut milk. And I just buy a can of that, blend it up really good, and put in this little squeeze bottle right there. Looks pretty, looks cool. Anyway, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you like. There'll be plenty more to come. Thank you.